Alrighty, I just got these keycaps from AliExpress, and I'm really curious about these because I want uniform keycaps. I want uniform keycaps because of several reasons. I'm not gonna get into those at the moment, but for now I have these ones, which are great. These are the crayon ones. The actual keyboard is QK75, and I really love the look and texture of the MT3 ones, but those are too sculpted for my taste. And the ones I got now should be somewhere height-wise between these ones, which is an NP profile, which is very similar to XDA, and something like an SA or maybe an MT3. They also should have a texture that has more grain, which I also really like about the MT3 ones. Regarding the graphics, so these are MOA profile. Most of the MOA profiles I've seen are very like cutesy and very sort of those kind of Japanese over the top cute aesthetics, which I don't really like. These are ones that I actually seem to like. They also have ones that are I think they are black on white, but though I don't really like the font on those. So these are the, I think, Snow Monster or something like that. I'll write in the name. And let's see how they actually look. Okay. Okay. So yeah, they definitely have some grain to them. These are cheap, meaning I bought this from AliExpress for about 30 euros. Shipped. I didn't get any customs in Romania. They also got here not with the local post, which is great because the local post is quite horrid, but with an independent courier or delivery service. So yeah, they do have more grain. Let me check their height as well, because for some reason I thought they would be a bit taller. And yeah, they are taller than NP, but not by much. Of course, you can see they are quite round, which is something that I also, and spherical, which is something that I also liked about the MT3 ones that I get with these. Unfortunately, the legends aren't very centered. If you can see, for example, in here, the divide one, see, not really centered. Also, these ones aren't really centered. The Afro seems decent. I think the F10 is a bit lower than it should be, but yeah, mostly it's fine. Yeah, so centering of the text isn't great. Look at this one, code. So this is a bit disappointing. Yeah, but I'll put these on, see how they sound, how they look, and yeah, I'm curious about it. So height-wise, there isn't any actually noticeable difference, I would say. I think the stem goes deeper into the MOA keycaps, so they're pretty much the same height, maybe just a tad like smaller than a millimeter increase in height for these ones, for the MOA. They also, you can see here, the gaps between the keycaps is a bit larger on the MOA profile than the NP one. Yeah. Okay, sound-wise, the NP seem more less loud, I guess, quieter. These are a bit brighter. They do look somewhat cheaper than the NP, Crayon. And from KBD fans, I think you can find these on AliExpress, which are probably clones or fakes or whatever. Not sure if those are fake, but anyway, I got them from, I don't know, an US site. And yeah, I mean, they're okay for the price, but yeah, I'm gonna stick to these ones. Hope this helps. That's all for today.